This is a BMW X1 2016, and if you go into the main menu, you go to vehicle settings, vehicle status, and you go to the triangle check control. And as you can see, we have few fault codes, and the one I'm looking for right now, it's right low beam lamp malfunction. I'm gonna show you right now. So we're gonna turn on the lights. You can see it on the garage door. As you can see, the left side is working, the right side is not. High beam, both are working, but low beam, so this is high beam, low beam. So as you can see, only left side low beam is working, but right side, right low beam malfunction. So let's go outside and check it. As you can see, we have, this is the left side and it's working, and if you go to the right side, you can see the bulb is not working. So we're gonna open the hood. I'm gonna show you how to remove the low beam bulb. So this is our right side. In order to remove the low beam light bulb, you need to remove this cover, and the light is inside. So now let's see how we can get access to it. So the cover is removed. After you pull out this connector like this, and after there is a spring that is pushing the bulb forward. So you'll need to press on that spring, move it to the side, pull it out, and after you'll be able to pull out the bulb itself. And as you can see, it's hard. The bulb, as you can see, the wire is melted in the middle. So now we're gonna go to O'Reilly and buy a new bulb, and problem should be fixed. So I just got my new light bulb, and it's age 7. I got it from O'Reilly. With taxes it was $27. So now we're gonna install the new light bulb on the right side for the low. Install the new bulb. You will install it through this hole, but it's good to open the second cap. So from here you're gonna see what you're doing. So you can see that spring, and you can see how you insert the bulb in. So when you install the new light, it goes in this position like this, with this tab right on the top. So when you install it, it goes like this inside. So keep it straight, go all the way in. This is the spring I was talking about. This is the spring that is putting pressure on the light and holding it in place, that is locking it. So now we're gonna install the light first, and after we're gonna raise up that spring. So as you can see, you will feel it, and you can watch what you're doing. You also can watch what you're doing through the light as well. So when you install the light, you're watching through here, make sure it's aligned, and if you move it left and right, you will feel when it's in the right place. So I got it aligned. Now I'm gonna, so you lock the spring, you just raise it up all the way, push it in. Let me try to find the spot, but we'll see what you're doing. It's hard to focus. So that is our spring. You push it in, and after toward yourself and release it, and as you can see, there is a hook, so it locks in place. And that's it. Now we can install the connector. So you also watch from here, and you will see when it's in the right place. That's it. You just press it all the way in, and our light bulb, it's installed. The spring locked it in place, and the connector, it's connected. Now we can put both caps back. So when you install it back, you turn it. When you install the cap, to lock it, you turn it clockwise. To release it, you turn it counterclockwise and take it out. So now we're gonna put it back. We're gonna turn it clockwise. This one the same. Counterclockwise, you release it, you put it in its place, you align it, and clockwise it locks in place. So now we're gonna turn on the light and check them. Actually, wait. As you can see, we have both lights working. High beam, low beam. Low beam, high beam. Low beam, high beam. Let's go outside to check it as well. As you can see, the left light is working and the right light is working as well, and the problem was just in the bulb. $27 at O'Reilly. That's it.